Wow, this is crazy.
I'm sure I've been in your way most of the time.
I'm really tickled about this. This is probably the second best thing I've ever done. That one looks a little squishy there. Yeah, so I planted, I think, 8 little slips, and just poked them in here and left them, and let them do their thing, kept them watered every so often. Oh, darn it. The skin is really frail.
So now I just got to try to save them till they harden up. That's absolutely fabulous. If you got this far, I really appreciate you. I really do.